ito?
Narito ang ating hinahanap. Narito ang langhap sarap.
Napuwing ka?
It's Jollibee Good.
When you long for something good, it stays in your mind. When you want it so much, you crave deep inside. And when you get it, it's Jollibee Good. When you get it,